Software refers to a set of instructions or programs that tell a computer what to do and how to do it. Software can be divided into two main categories. System software. This type of software manages and controls the computer's hardware and basic operations, such as booting up the system, managing memory and input/output operations, and providing a platform for other software to run on. Examples of system software include operating systems, such as Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, device drivers, and firmware. Application software. This type of software performs specific tasks and functions for the user. Examples of application software include productivity tools, such as word processors and spreadsheets, multimedia tools, such as audio and video players, and gaming software. There are also other types of software, such as utility software, which helps maintain and optimize computer performance, and programming software, which helps developers write and test code.